These are our friends. Okay. Oh, this is so good. You look great. Thanks. And we're gonna come over here. Hi. I love your dress. Oh my goodness. Thank you for your letter earlier. It was so sweet. Okay, it's so good to see y'all. Hi. Hi. Okay, so here's my other question for y'all. How many of you like free merchandise? Free merch? Free merch. Okay, awesome. Me too. We want to give some free merch away tonight. So we are going to, there we go. Okay, so if you go to set.live, set.live on Google or Safari or whatever, and put in your info there, we took a Polaroid backstage and we signed it. We signed a set list. And then we also are going to text one of y'all, if you go to set.live and put your info in there, send it to the merch table and send somebody to get a free t-shirt tonight. So do that. We're going to close this set out, though, with one of our favorite tracks from the new record called Rain or Shine. Here we go. Keep those lights shining.
I'll be your huckleberry. You be my let me start that over again.
They were singing it better than we were. Thanks, so. Okay.
I'll be your huckleberry. You be my bottom line. I'm a professional. You be my slow and steady. I'll be your bottom line. I'll be your wildflower. You'll be my rain or shine.
I'm on the road going somewhere with nothing on my mind. Oh yeah, I'm acting like I don't care with nothing on my mind. Oh yeah, I'll be your thorns and roses. You'll be my rain or shine. Yeah.
On a cold night, low, high, whatever is right, my love will keep you warm. When the wind blows, sky blows, baby, I'll be your refuge from the storm. Driving fast and taking chances, what could ever go wrong? How we doing, balcony?
Under romantic circumstances,
Nothing could ever go wrong. I'll be your moon rising. You'll be my long swan song. Yeah. On a cold night, low, high, whatever is right, my love will keep you warm. When the wind blows, God knows, baby, I'll be your refuge from the storm. On a cold night, low, high, whatever is right, my love will keep you warm. When the